I never thought I would see this hair trend come back into fashion. Now, many of you will know this haircut reference. It has been around the entire time I've been hairdressing, but I genuinely didn't think we'd be seeing it again. This is one of my overarching themes for all of 2024 in hair trends, but I predict we're going to see this one particular element reinvented throughout the year in different shapes and lengths. This spring, we're seeing feathered layers in a stretched out, longer haircuts that really retain the thickness through the body of the hair, but bring that feathering around the face. Super Rachel from Friends, I know. But what's really great about this style is if you're someone that likes to wear their hair long, likes it to feel quite thick, but maybe you have shorter hairs around the hairline, maybe they're finer, maybe they're broken. This, by the way, is actually quite a common problem that some people have. And the great thing about this shape is you can trim this hair here, making it look intentional and part of the design, rather than constantly trying to grow out these shorter hairs to match the length. This softness that you get from feathered layers is actually going to make the haircut look up to date and fresh and designed and intentional.